Any volunteers? Supriya Bani or Shlita Bani? Shlita Bani, okay.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटि सूर्य समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
कोऽपि गीता श्लोकं वदति वा? कापि गीता श्लोकम्?
मयि सर्वाणि कर्माणि सन्न्यस्य अध्यात्मचेतसा निराशी निर्ममो भूत्वा युद्धस्व विगतज्वरः।
अध्यायः कः? श्लोकः कः?
थर्ड महोदय, थर्ड एंड 30th
संस्कृतभाषायां वदतु।
कर्मयोगं 30th
संस्कृतभाषायां वदतु।
भगवद्गीता तिस्रः
वा? तिस्रः नास्ति, तृतीयः अध्यायः।
तृतीय अध्यायः
30
श्लोकम्।
Okay, so ekam dve, these are no the counts. Okay, this is, so we say now cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers. So pratamaha means what? Pratama shreni bhavati, pratama shrenyam uttirna bhavati, like you pass the exam the first rank. So first, second, third or pratama, pratamaha, pratama, pratamam, ditiyah, dithiya, dithiyam, tritiyah, tritiya, tritiyam. It comes like that. What we say is ekam dve or eka, ekaha, that are counts. One pen, 2 books. So that is count. So this is the level or ranking. Astu. Slide share karomi. पटलं दृश्यते वा? आं वा न वा?
आम्।
अस्तु अस्तु, धन्यवादः। स्वागतं दशम कक्षायां श्लोकाः। ओके, अद्यतनपाठः पुनरावलोकनं। वयं किं किं ज्ञातवन्तः गते वर्गे? दिनानि विषये, कालः, कदा, अनन्तरं संख्याः 30 ऋतुभिः 100पर्यन्तं वयं पठितवन्तः। अद्य लकाराः विषये पठिष्यामः। लकाराः परिचयः। लकाराः कति सन्ति? 10 लकाराः सन्ति। 10 मुख्यतया 5 लकाराः पठिष्यामः। लट्, लङ्, लुट्, लोट्, विधिलिङ्ग्. So in our syllabus we will learn these 5 lakaras. Other 5s are bit higher level, so we'll just know what it is, but we'll focus on these 5. लट् लकार अद्य अद्यतनपाठे लट् लकारः विषये पठिष्यामः। वर्तमानकालः। लट् इत्युक्ते वर्तमानकालः, प्रेजेंट टेन्स। लट् लकारः वयं जानीमः प्रथम, मध्यम, उत्तम पुरुष इति 3 पुरुषाः सन्ति। अस्तु, किं पठितुम् इच्छति? प्रीति भगिनी, भवती पठति वा श्लोकः?
पृथ्वी पूजनं श्लोकः।
उपरि टाइटल अपि पठतु। सम्यक्। पृथिवी, पृथिवी, पृथिवी।
पृथ्वी
पृथिवी पूजनम
पृथ्वी पूजनम
श्लोकः
माता भूमिः पुत्रोऽहं पृथिव्याः
माता भूमिः पुत्रोऽहं पृथिव्याः माता भूमिः so earth yes mother पुत्रोऽहं पुत्रः अहं so I am child of no भूमि माता श्लोकः पठतु
पृथ्वी त्वा धृता लोका देवी त्वं विष्णुना धृता त्वं च धारय मा देवी पवित्रं कुरु शासनम्
पवित्रं कुरु शासनम् so it's a background your background there's some sound
so sorry it's just cooking time for
cooking
us
okay multitasking okay चिन्ता मास्तु अनुवादमपि पठतु
Mahadev, screen is very small. I mean, it is not maximized.
So this is a maximum, I think, for me. It's full.
Okay, normally it used to be. Okay.
No, for us also it is full, Mahoday. Yeah.
Yeah, it is
Maybe if
full
you
again.
can, yeah,
Like
it
you
is
have to
full.
change the resolution, the configuration. प्रतिभगिनी पठतु अनुवादमपि पठतु the translation.
Devi, the entire world is born by you, and Devi, you in turn are born by Sri Vishnu. Please hold me, O Devi, and make this asana, seat of the worshipper, pure.
Okay, so पृथिवी त्वया हृदा लोका देवी त्वं निष्ठुना धृता त्वं च धारय मां देवी पवित्रं कुरु चासनं so पृथिवी त्वया धृता लोका so त्वया धृता लोका so त्वया धृता लोका the earth is actually held by you no धृता लोका त्वया means by you पृथिवी देवी we are addressing to Bhuma Devi Prithvi is held by you or born by you, but you are held by or carried by Vishnu. Vishnuna by Vishnu. Drita, Vishnuna Drita. You are carried by or held by Vishnu. Tamcha Dharyamam Devi. You please hold me also. Dharyamam Devi. We are actually requesting by you. Pavitram Kuru. Which one? Cha asanam. So the seat, please make the seat pure. So this is a sloka we have to chant whenever we are going to start any puja, any rituals, or participating in any functions or something where we sit and do pray or chant something. So this is what we have to do. Even normal we sit on the floor also we can do. So we have to chant this sloka. So Prithvi Tvaya Dha Loka Devi Tvam Vishnuna Dha Tam Cha Dharyamam Devi Paitram Kurucha Asanam. So please make the seat, my seat, pure. So I can do the rituals or activities, the puja, the namaskaras or the prayers in proper way. अस्तु धन्यवादः अपर्णा भगिनी भवती पठतु सुभाषितं सुचिता भगिनी प्रश्नः अस्ति वा
Yes, in the previous slide for Prithvi Pujanam Shlokaha. So Prithvi is Dirgha, but in the shloka Prithvi is Rasva. So I mean when we are writing it becomes for me the Dirgha and the Rasva become very confusing without
So if you see there also Devi, so we are actually addressing Devi. So Prithvi Devi actually this is Prithvi Devi. So it's a Devi Pratama Vibhakti. When we are, I think we discussed before, when we address someone. So when you address someone, the Ikara will become Ikara. So if you say Devi, we are addressing, for example, I'm talking to you, I say, so for example, Bhagini, the word is Bhagini, Ikara, Srilinga Padam, Nadi, Shabdavat, like Nadi, Bhagini. But when I call you, address you, I will say Bhagini. That will become Hraswam. In the Sambodhana Pratama, so calling case. Same way, Prithvi becomes Prithvi Devi. So we say Devi, we are addressing directly talking to Bhuma Devi, we are addressing Devi. We will not say Devi. Devi will say when we write Prithvi Devi, that is Bhuma Devi. But when you directly address someone, we address as Prithvi Devi. So Ikara will become Rasam Ikara. Same way, if I have Mahodaya is the word, Pratama Vibhakti. But when I say, call you, I will say Sochita Mahodaye, because Akara will become Ekara. So we will learn that one. Same way for no Pullinga Padam. Mahodayaha is the Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachan, Mahodayaha. But when you say only Mahodaya, that Visarga will go. Ramaha, when you call Ramaha, we will not say Ramaha, we will say Rama. Krishnaha will become Krishna. So that's all. These are all Sambodhana. When we are addressing someone directly, that will become that change will happen.
Okay.
So same way,
Dhanyavad.
Devi becomes Devi, Prithvi becomes Prithvi.
Okay. I had one more question actually. I'm sorry about this. It is
please,
nothing to do with this shloka.
Yeah. Ask
Okay.
whatever number of questions.
Okay. So now when we are talking about Tithi, like Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, then there is a Shashti there, and we have 60 also Shashti. So is there something different, or
If
you just have to learn
you
it?
have to see a spelling. Spelling.
It is the sh, sh, the.
No. This is Shashti. This is Takhara, Alpa Prana Mahaprana. So that difference is there. I will show you up maybe end of the class.
Okay. Dhanyavad. Thank you. Sorry.
Aparna Bhini Patu.
Subhashitam. Dharmam charat maya dharmam satyam.
Hindi Bhasham Vismaratu. Dharmam charata.
Dharmam charata. Mai satyam vadata. Mai nrityam. Mandritam. Dhirgaha pashyata.
Dirgham.
Bindu. Dhirgam pashyata ma hrisvam param. Hrasvam param pashyata ma param.
Samyak. Anuvadam api padatu.
What is this yes like thing in between?
Vadami. You complete the English translation, I will say.
Okay. Follow righteous path, not sorry. Follow righteous path, not the unrighteous. Speak the truth, not the lie. Keep long-term vision, not shorter. Look upon yourself, not others. Not finding fault with others.
Okay, astu dhanyavada. So, dharmam charata ma dharmam satyam vadata ma nritam dirgham pashyata ma hrasvam param pashyata ma param. Okay, first this is the S symbol is called avagraha. So when this is actually ma adharmam. So there is a sandhi rule that we'll learn maybe in a higher level. So the sandhi rule, the a will go, and then in the place of a, this is actually optional. You can write ma adharmam. You can write, or this is like a what you call is a style of writing. So this gives it elevates the writing. So this is optional, but that's a sandhi. So we instead of a, so we'll write in this avagraha chinham. So dharmam charata ma adharmam actually. So dharmam charata. So in Taittiriya Upanishad also what you say? Satyam vada dharmam chara. So chara means moving or walking. So satyam vada dharmam chara. So the same thing we say, Mata Pita about they are the Matru Deva Bhava, Pitru Deva Bhava, Acharya Deva Bhava, Atithi Deva Bhava. So same in the stanza. So Dharmam Chara Satyam Vada. So same thing, Dharmam Charata Ma Adharmam. Right in the ethical way of righteous path, not on the wrong path. Adharma way. Satyam Vadata. Speak truth. Ma on anritam. So don't speak lie. Don't tell lie. Speak only the truth. Dirgham pashyata ma rasvam. Always have a broader view or maybe longer vision instead of very short term vision. Param pashyata ma aparam. Actually, param pashyata ma aparam. Look at yourself, not others. Meaning is, no, don't try to find fault on others. Okay, you are not good, you are not doing like this, you don't tell like this, talk like that. So we normally make a lot of criticism or comments we make. So first we have to correct ourselves. So param pashyata ma aparam. So that is the meaning. Okay.
Ma basically means don't or no, negative. Right? Ma.
In this this ma means don't. No, don't do that. Ma, we say ma, don't do that. Astu. Okay. पुनरावलोकनं दिनानि. ओके, कः वदति, का वदति? अद्य. What is yesterday?
Here.
अद्य
Here.
अद्य सोमवासरः ह्यः
यः. यः.
ह्यः
हा, half ya, half ha, and ya. यः.
ह्यः भानुवासरः.
यः भानुवासरः. सम्यक्. हाँ. Before Sunday.
स्थिरवासरः.
स्थिरवासरः. नाम कः? नाम किम्?
श्वः.
श-
No,
श्वः,
श्वः
tomorrow.
is tomorrow. Okay.
यः
शनिवासरः.
परह्यः.
ओ परह्यः.
ह्यः.
यः
ह्यः.
परह्यः. And then the day before, प्रपरह्यः. अस्तु, उत्तमं. प्रपरह्यः. Tomorrow, श्वः.
परश्वः.
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 प्रपरश्वः. उत्तमम्. सो अद्य, श्वः, परश्वः, प्रपरश्वः, ह्यः, परह्यः, प्रपरह्यः. अस्तु. वासरः, वासराः कति सन्ति? 7 वासराः सन्ति. ओके. अपर्णा भगिनी, भवती वदतु. Sunday to Saturday.
Sunday. रविवासरः. सोमवासरः. मंगलवासरः. बुधवासरः. बुधवासरः. गुरुवासरः. शुक्रवासरः.
शनिवासरः. बहु उत्तमम्. सुचिता भगिनी, भवती वदतु. रविवासरस्य अन्य नाम किम्? म्यूट् मध्ये अस्ति.
भानुवासरः.
भानुवासरः. अस्तु. सोमवासरः. सोमवासरस्य अन्य. I said last class.
सौम्यवासरः. No.
न. इन्दुवासरः.
इन्दुवासरः.
इन्दुवासरः. उत्तमम्. प्रीति भगिनी, भवती वदतु. मङ्गलवासरस्य अन्य नाम किम्?
भौमवासरः.
भौमवासरः. उत्तमम्. बुधवासरस्य अन्य नाम? सौम्यवासरः. सौम्यवासरः. अनन्तरं शनिवासरस्य अन्य नाम स्थिरवासरः. स्थिरवासरः. अस्तु. उत्तमम्. सो प्रातः उषः इत्युक्ते मार्निंग, सायं इवनिंग, मध्याह्नम् आफ्टरनून, इदानीम् अधुना नौ, कालः इस् टाइम, प्रातः काल मार्निंग, सायंकालः इस् इवनिंग, प्रातः काले इत्युक्ते in the morning, सायंकाले in the evening, मध्याह्ने in the afternoon. वासरः पठितवन्तः. कदा? सुप्रिया भगिनी, भवती पठतु.
कदा when. बालकः कदा पठति? When does the boy read? बालकः अद्य प्रातः काले 8 वादने पठति. He reads today morning at 8 o'clock. सः रविवासरे मध्याह्ने 3 पठति. He reads on Sunday afternoon at 3 o'clock. बालिका कदा क्रीडति? When does the girl play? बालिका सायंकाले क्रीडति. She plays in the evening. सा 8 क्रीडति. She plays at 8 o'clock. फलं कदा पतति? When does the fruit fall? फलं प्रातः काले पतति. The fruit falls in the morning. तत् ग्रीष्मकाले पतति. The fruit falls in the summer.
अस्तु उत्तमम्. एकवारं पुनः वदतु. Fruit, what is fruit in Sanskrit?
Falani.
Fruit. No, wait. I am asking Supriya Beni. Read this one again.
Napumsakalingam.
No. Just read this word again.
Phalam.
Okay. I heard phalam last time. That's why I want to check. Phalam. Pha. H. Sankhya. So you all remember Sankhya?
Revising Mahodaya.
Okay. When you practice, it will come. Okay. So what is for 30? Supriya Beni.
Trimshat.
40.
Chatvarimshat.
50.
Panchashat. No.
Panchashat. Okay. Preeti Beni. 60.
Sishat.
You are saying all the combination. Shashti. 70.
Sasti.
Saptatihi.
Saptati.
Okay. Sridhar Beni, for what is for 80?
अशीतिः
Ashitihi. 90.
नवति
Navatihi.
नवतिः
Shatam. Okay.
शतम्.
So dasha, vimsatihi, trimshat, chatvarimshat, panchashat, shashtihi, saptatihi, ashitihi, navatihi, shatam. Okay.
Ayuttam.
Yeah. So please go through. If you practice 2-3 times, and then see, number is not a thing. If you know the tens, then you have to just add and then make small changes. So chatvarimshat is for 46, shat chatvarimshat. So that sub chatvarimshat. So this is not that difficult. Only to be just take care of this 80 thing. So when it says dashitihi, trashitihi, chaturashitihi, there are some changes happening because again, just not to overwhelm your thing, but because it starts with ashitihi, that starts with swara. Swara is joining with this, then they make some sandhi changes. That's why it's so pancha ashitihi will becomes panja ashitihi, shat ashitihi, shada ashitihi, sapta, ashta, nava. So because there is a swara in the front. Astu. Lakaraha vishaye patamaha. Okay. So padasya nirmanam katham bhavati. So padam ityukte kim? Padam ityukte shabdah. Okay, word. So the word is formed with the prakritihi. There is one root, and then it's added with the pratyaya. So pratyaya is one product, is a one material, like two ingredients mixed together forming a finished product. So prakritihi is adding with pratyaya, and so the padam is formed. The padam is, we have nama padam, which is noun, and kriya padam, which is verb. So how the nama padam is formed, we already seen in previous classes. So pratipadigam, when pratipadigam joins with supratyaya, so then we get a nama padam. For kriya padam, when dhatu is another root for kriya padam, pratipadigam is the root for nama padam. So dhatuhu joins with ting pratyaya, we will get kriya padam. So dhatuhu ting pratyaya saha ting pratyayena saha yojyate tada vayam kriya padam prapnumah. So pratipadigam adds with supratyaya, we'll get nama padam, Dhatu adds with ting pratyaya, you get kriya padam. And so that's padam is then pratipadikam or dhatu is nothing but prakritihi, and pratyaya is different types. Bahuvidaha santi. So supratyaya, ting pratyaya. And prakritihi pratyaya cha prutak rupena upayoktam na shakyate. Can't use prakritihi separately, you can't use pratyaya separately. So it always goes together. Okay, it's like Shiva Shakti, you can't separate. So it is always goes together. You can't use prakriti separately as one word, that will not give any meaning. If you can't use separately, it will not give any meaning. We have to mix together and make one final product and then use. What you are mixing, if you are mixing pratipadikam and supratyaya, you will get namapadam. If you are mixing that with dinkradaya, you will get kriyapadam. You can't do cross mixing, crisscross also. We can't use pratipadikam and dinkradaya and dhatu with supratyaya. Okay.
Can
Any
we have
doubts?
example? Can we have example for?
Yeah, we'll learn that one. Yes. Now we'll see lakara. Lakara is only applicable to namapadam va kriyapadam va.
Kriyapadam.
Kriyapadam.
Kriyapadam. So again, going back. So for namapadam, what are the categories are there in namapadam?
Lingam, Vachanam, Vibhakti.
Lingam, Vachana, Vibhakti. Bahut tamam. Kriyapade, kim santi?
Purushaha, Vachanam, Lakaraha.
Purushaha, Vachanam, Lakaraha. Bahut tam bhagini. Okay, so nama padasya gunaha. So antaha. So swarantaha, vyanjanantaha. Either it ends with the swaram, like we learned Ramaha, akaranta, pullinga padam. Sita, akaranta, strilinga padam. Nadi, ikaranta, strilinga padam. So like that. So antah, swarantaha, and vyanjanantaha, we will learn the next level. Okay, and pratipadikam is the moola shabda. And we have lingam. So pullingam, strilingam, napumsakalingam. We have vachanam in namapadam. Eka vachanam, divachanam, and bahuvachanam. And vibhakti. Sab vibhakti santi. Anantaram sambodhana prathama api asti. Sambodhanam is calling case. Kriyapadasya gunaha. So dhatuhu. Apriti Bhaini.
Mahoday, what is, can you give example for pratipadikam? Pratipadikam.
Pratipadikam. So pratipadikam, for example, if you take Ram, we say Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Correct? We learned that. So Ramaha is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. But the Pratipadikam for that is Rama. It's a Rama. It's like a raw material. So we cook something. Okay, we add many things and make one dish, whether it's a sambar or sabji something. So that's the same way. So Rama is the root word. It's a raw word. And then you add some pratyaya. You add a pratyaya, supratyaya, that will become Rama. There's a lot of rules. Okay, if you discuss, it will be so confusing. Just you remember, Rama is the shabda, and you add to Rama some pratyaya, it will become Ramaha ekavachane. Divachane, that the pratyaya, the supratyaya is different varieties. You add the other one, that will become Ramau. In Bahuvachanam, it will become Ramaha. Okay, in Divachanam, it will be Ditya Bhakti, it will become Ramam. Ramau, Raman. So Pratipadikam is Rama, only just Rama. Simple. Krishna. Okay, so Sita, Nadi, Pustaka. Pustakam, actually not Pustakam, Pustaka, Phala. So Vana. When you add the Pratyaya for Namapadam, when you add the Supratyaya, that will give one Vibhakti. There are 21 actually. There are 3 Ekavachanam, Divachanam, Bahuvachanam. So one Pratama Vibhakti has 3. How many Vibhaktis are there? 7. 7 into 3, 21. Plus Sambodhanam 3. Sambodhanam is nothing but Pratama Vibhakti is another form. So we always say 21. So Vibhakti, Pratama Vibhakti have 1, 2, 3 into 7, 21. But the Pratipadikam is only Rama. When you add a Pratyaya to it, you get 21 different Vibhaktis. Same way for Kriyapadam. We say Pathati, Pat, Pat is the dhatu. Pat. You add the thing pratyaya. We saw last time. Ati, ataha, anti. So pat plus ati becomes pathati. Pat plus ataha becomes patataha. Pat plus anti becomes patanti. So the ati, ataha, anti is nothing but the thing pratyaya. When it adds to the dhatu, dhatu is again for kriya padam, that is the root. It's very raw material. It's very raw. Like we take rice. We can't eat rice, right? We add a bit of water and then we cook it in the gas, in the fire. Then it becomes the finished product. Same way, you can't just survive with only with water. We can't directly eat the rice granules. We have to add water and then cook it, and then it becomes the eatable form of food. So same way, pratipadikam and supratyaya for namapadam, dhatu and think pratyaya for kriyapadam. Okay. Astu. So kriyapadesya gunaha dhatuhu purushah vachanam lakarah. So dhatuhu we learn pat, as, gam, lik, dhav, p, all these dhatuhu. Purushah, pratama purushah, madhyama purushah, uttam purushah. Person, second person, first person. Vachanam, ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. Lakarah, dasha lakarah santi. Mukhyaतयः lat, lang, lit, lot, vidiling lakarah. Vayam padhamah, padishyamah. Astu. So far, any confusion, any questions, please stop and ask questions. No, don't feel shy. So there is no use of just rushing through slides. We have to understand. So we can maybe spend time. Okay, anytime, please raise your hand and ask. Suchita Bhai.
So maybe I was absent when you took this, but for me, prakriti, pratyayah, supratyayah, all these words are new actually. Like I have not heard them. So had you taken a lesson about that before?
No.
No. There's no lesson for that. So this is a new word. So lakara is a new word for me, for you. Vachanam is
Yeah,
new
no,
word
no.
for.
What is prakriti? So when we talked about lakara, like padam is equal to prakriti plus pratyayah. So what is prakriti?
Prakriti is like, so for Namapadam is Prakriti is nothing but the Pratipadikam. Such as the root, actually you can say Mula Shabda. When Mula Shabda joins with one Pratyaya, the Padam is formed. Okay. And Padam, we have two different Padams. Under Padam, Padasya Dividaha Santi Staha. So there are two types. Namapadam, Kriya Padam. Okay. So Prakriti is a generic name. Pratyaya is a generic name. So we say boy and a girl, teacher and student. It's very generic. Same way Prakriti, Pratyaya is a generic. When you say Sucheta Chatra, so then that is very specific. So for Namapadam, the Prakriti is Pratipadikam, the Pratyaya is Supratyaya. These two join together and then it gives the Namapadam. For Kriya Padam, Prakriti is Dhatu, Pratyaya is Ting Pratyaya. These two join together gives Kriya Padam. So Pratipadikam is Prakriti, Dhatu is Prakriti, Pratipadikam is for Namapadam, Dhatu is for Kriya Padam. And then the Pratipadikam Prakriti joins with Supratyaya, we get Namapadam. Same Dhatuhu Prakriti joins with Ting Pratyaya, we get Kriya Padam. Is that okay? Clear?
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Dhanyavad.
So Lakaraha Parichaya. So Lakaraha Kriyayaha Alaha Lakaraha Dhyotayan. So Lakaras denote the tense and the mood of the action. So we do some kriya, some action. That action as it can be done today, now, it could have been done yesterday, or would have been done, will be done tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So it is only the Namapadam, the noun will not say. If I say Rama, you can't say which Rama, we know the person, but we don't know when, time and all. So Rama read or Rama killed Ravana. So that is, we know, okay, the killed is the Kriya Padam verb, which denotes the Kala, the what you call the time. So the Kriyayaha Kalaha Prakaraha. Kala Vachakaha. So tense are time of action. So whether it's a present tense or past tense or future tense, the Lakara is going to denote as a Kriya, only for the Kriya. Same way, Bhava Vachaka, mood of action, can be anger. So he was very furious, we say. So no, he angrily or something. No, we add a lot of adjectives and adverbs. So inducing to an order, or also I say kripaya patatu. I am requesting you, or keep quiet. So teacher says to a student, keep quiet. So it's like the order. So it can be order, request, or any kind of probability or chance, something we can say. So lakaraha, kriyayaha, kalaha, prakaraha, dyodayanti. So lakara denotes what is the purpose of lakara? It denotes what time the action has been done or is being done or will be done, and also the mood of the doer. What is the mood of the doer? It also shows bhava vachakam. Either it can be ordering someone, it can be requesting someone, it can be whatever the mood, the kriya padam is exhibiting or disclosing. Any doubts in this? We'll get clear more when we start doing the other lakaras and vibhaktis. Okay. So lat lakara, vartamana kalka. So lat lakara is denotes the vartamana kala, has a present tense. Lang lakara is a bhuta kala, past tense. Both means past. Lit lakara is bhavishyat kala, future tense. Lot lakara is agnya atava prarthana. Either it's order or request. Okay. If I say kripaya vadatu, so vadatu is lot lakara. I am asking you to please speak or please say something. If I say vadatu or karotu, so if my tone is changing, that means it's order. I'm giving order. And vidhiling lakara is vidhi or kartavyam. It's something, it has to be done by you or me or someone. Okay, so vidhiling lakara. So this 5 we will learn in this sasyam level. So lat lakara hai vartamana kala hai bodhayati, lang lakara hai bhuta kalam bodhayati, lit lakara hai bhavichyat kalam bodhayati, lot lakara hai agnya prathana bodhayati, and then vidhiling lakara hai vidhihi akartavyam suchayati. Astu. lat lakara hai श्रीलता बेनी प्रश्न अस्ति वा?
Mahoday. Is there an easy way to remember which one is which? Or does that come with practice?
Abhyas, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Just to see, this question everyone will get. Okay. Now we are in November. Okay, when did we start our class? I think end of August, correct? End of August. So August to September.
Yeah, first week of September, actually.
1st of September, correct? 1st of September. So September, October. Now we are almost 2.5 months, you can say. You remember before September how many things you know? Now you know something, right? So that's how it comes. Okay. So what I am requesting to everyone, 2 things. One, we have to be patient, and then because of our age, our other education qualification and other our responsibilities, we think okay, I don't know, I want to learn fast, I want to do this. We have to go back to our school days. How did we learn first in year 1, year 2, first standard, second standard? Same way only. We have to forget who we are as of now with respect to age, responsibilities, other qualification. So just open your mind, keep it open, like the kids, how the kids learn, same way you have to learn. And then if you keep learning every day, so after this is 3-4 months, after 5 months, there more knowledge is added to our maybe our education or whatever our brain bank. So this is how it comes. So regularly you learn. So now we are 10th class. Then we'll learn next week a new one. The following week new one. So how many of us know about Vasaraha before? The name of the Vasaraha. We learn somewhere. We know very vaguely. So but we are revising it. We are doing in a proper way. So that how it sits in our mind. So this you'll get it. Okay. Raish Bhagni, you have a question?
Sir, sorry to ask you. When you say about the new this thing, lakar or something, the slides you are saying,
Yeah.
can you say it some slowly?
Which one?
Because
This one?
it's very difficult for me to go through it very fastly. That's why.
No, which one? Which one? Which slide you are talking about?
No, actually, whenever you are taking the class, no, while you read out the slides, can you make it somewhat a little bit slowly so that I can understand it? That's why.
I will try because no, we have to complete within 90 minutes and we have a lot of abhyasam to do. I will try, but see, whenever you have doubt, please stop me and ask. Don't hesitate. If you're not clear about something, please ask. Don't hesitate to stop. Okay.
It will be okay for me only. I'm asking.
Okay, I'll try to slow down. You try to speed up.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's already on the path.
Okay. So lakara. Okay. Okay. Ashrita Bhani Bhavati Padatu. सर्वनामशब्दाः सारम्.
सर्वनामशब्दाः सारम्. पुरुषः तत् शब्दः पुरुषः प्रथम एक सः भवान् द्वि तौ भवन्तौ बहु ते भवन्तः.
Pratama Purushaha. First row is for Pullinga, second row Strilingam, and third is Nabunsakalingam.
Okay. So Pullingam is Saha, Tau, Te, Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantaha.
Samyak.
Prathama Purusha, Strilinga, Sa, Te, Taha, Bhavati, Bhavatyau, Bhavatyaha. Prathama Purusha, Napunsakalinga, Tat, Te, Tani. Yushmat Shabdaha, Madhyama, Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. You, you two, you all. Asmat Shabdaha, Uttama Purusha, Aham, Avam, Vayam.
Yeah, has to. So please remember these words. Tad is Shabdaha. This is Tad is nothing but Pratipadikam. Okay. Tad Shabdaha, Ushmat Shabdaha, Asmat Shabdaha. Okay. So Saha Taute Pullinge comes in Tad. Even that's we say Eshaha, Yeto, Yeti is nothing but Etad Shabdaha. Just you have to add eight in the front. So Yetad, Etad. Yushma this, just to connect with English, Yushma this you is talking about you. Asma this I am. So it's actually it's kind of talking to someone who is younger to us. I can't say you because it's kind of a disrespect. But we say younger people, like in our family, our children or something. So we say you. For example, if you say in English, in Hindi, we can't say tum to everyone, right? We say aap. So same way, aap is nothing but bhavan, bhavati. So yuvam, yuyam. It's Rajesh, you have a question? Rajesh, you have a question?
No, sir.
Okay. No, because I see raise your hand. That's why.
Be raised. I didn't remove it.
Okay, no problem. So asma this Purusha aham, I, avam, we two, and vayam means we all, plural. Bahuvachane. Astu. So Sarvanama Shabda again is the same. Saha is so very common for all. We just can denote anyone. and then Sa is for any Strilinga Sri or Mahila, and Tani is for in Napumsalikam. Aparna Beni?
The Purusha is different for all. Pratama Purusha. For some it is Madhyama. Do we take it that way or?
Okay, see, Pratama Purusha is what? Third person. Okay.
Huh.
Saha and Sa, Tat. So we are talking about somebody else. But Madhyama Purusha, Yushmad, Madhyama Purusha is I am talking to you. So we are talking to someone, the second person. So we always say you. So you, just think in English, you is a second person. And then he, she, they are third person. And I is the first person. So Pratama Purusha, so is a third person. So we are talking about somebody else, not maybe here or may not be here. So we say we both are talking, but we are talking about somebody else. So that is Pratama Purusha. You and I are talking, and you are talking to me. I am talking to you. That is Madhyama Purusha. I am talking to you. I say Tom Yuvam Yuyam. You are talking to me. Tom Yuvam. So when I talk about myself, Aham. We talk about we both, Avam. So that all first person. I, we, two, we all. So Prathama Purusha is third person, Madhyama Purusha is second person, Uttam Purusha is first person.
No, but you said you, this is like Tvam is for someone who is younger to you.
See, that's why I can't say, for example, that's why I said in Hindi.
No, that is okay. If somebody is elder or with respect, if we have to express.
So we have to use Bhavan, Bhavati.
Okay, but then the Purusha, then it changes, no? Bhavan, Bhavati, when you say, it is not Madhyama Purusha, right?
So Bhavan, Bhavati is a Prathama Purusha, but when we are talking to each other, we can still use Bhavan, Bhavati. Bhavan, Vadatu, Bhavati, Vadatu, I can still say.
Okay.
I can ask Bhavan ka hai. I can ask directly, Bhavati ka, I can ask directly, but also I can ask you, Bhavan ka hai. Instead of Saha ka hai, I can say Bhavan ka hai.
So here then how do you classify this as, Pratham or Madhyam? Because when they are overlapping, when you say Tvam and then we say...
See, normally, this is all only in talking thing. Okay, so when I want to use, see, Sanskrit is basically is very, very expecting language. So we normally use Tvam, Yuvam and all very, 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 very rarely. So we normally, when we talk together, they always say Bhavan, Mahodaya, Bhagini, or Brata, all these things we always use. So it's even family also we'll talk the same way.
So
you're right.
I'm asking, no, my question is then that Bhavan, Bhavati should also be classified in the Madhyama Purusha, right? Why do we specifically say that?
No. So word is for Prathama Purusha. We can take advantage of using that for expecting purpose. So giving respect, you can take advantage of using it. You're just additionally using it.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I think what she meant was that when we are using Bhavan as Pratham Purusha, what will be the same thing for Madhyam Purusha? We won't be using Tvam, right? So it will be Bhavan only for Madhyam Purusha.
No, you will be using Tvam, but if you use with respect, then it becomes Bhavan. It is actually Tvam because it is, but with respect, when you are going to say that Madhyam Purusha will, we are like borrowing from Pratham Purusha, we are using with respect.
See, when we see examples,
I understood that. I thought, yeah.
When we see examples, we will understand further. Okay. It's a valid doubts. When we go through some examples, you'll understand. Okay. Astu. So Vartamane Kale, Latlakara. Latlakara Vartamana Kala hai. So in Vartamana Kale, so we'll see the examples. For example, Prathama Purusha Thati Tataha Panti. We saw this in the previous classes. Thati Ekavachanam Prathama Purusha Patataha Divachanam Patanti Bahuvachanam. In Madhyam Purusha is Patasi Patataha Patata. So Uttam Purusha Pathami. We too Patavaha. We all Patamaha. aham patami, avam patavah, vayam patamah. Tvam patasi, and yuvam patatah, yuyam patatha. Saha patati, te patatah, sorry, tau patatah, te patanti. Okay. Same way, likati, likatah, likanti. Likasi, likatah, likatha. Likhami, likhabah, likhamah. Okay. So just because we talked about Bhavan Bhavati, I would just add one more information. Okay. So Bhavan, why I said Bhavan is Prathama Purusha? Even I am addressing directly to you, I will not say Bhavan or Bhavati Pata. See, the Patasi is Madhyam Purusha. If I say you, if I use Tam, I will say Tam Patasi. You read Tam Patasi. But when I use Bhavan or Bhavati, I will not say Bhavati Patasi. That is Ashuddham. Please remember. I have to say Bhavati Patati or Bhavati. If I addressing you, I will say Bhavati Patatu or Bhavati Patati. I cannot use Madhyam Purusha Patasi because Bhavan Bhavati is Prathama Purusha Sabda. Okay, Tad Shabdaha, Prathama Purusha Shabdaha. So we can't use the Kriya Padam of Madhyam Purusha when we use Bhavan Bhavati to address in place of Tvam. So we can't use Patasi, Patataha, Patat. Okay, please remember. Okay. So Kriyapada Upayojanasya Niyamaha. So rules of using Kriyapada Upayojan. So Kriyapadam conjugates differently depending on Purushaha and Vachanam. Okay, so Purushaha. So we have Pratham Purushaha. The forms are different. Madhyam Purushaha forms are different. Uttam Purushaha forms are different. Same way Vachanam. Ekavachanam, we say Patati, Patasi, Patami. Bahuvachanam, Patanti, Patatha, Patamah. So that also different. Kriyapadam in Madhyam Purusha should be used only with Yushmad Sabdaha. Yushmad Sabdaha. What are the Yushmad Sabdaha? Tam, Yuvam, Yuyam. Kriyapadam in Uttam Purusha should be used only in Asmat Sabdaha. What are Asmat? Sorry. Asmat Sabdaha. Aham, Avam, Vayam. In all other cases, Kriyapadam in Prathama Purusha should be used. If it is in Madhyam Purusha, only Yushmad. If it is in Uttam Purusha, only Asmad. In all other cases, it should be Prathama Purusha. Kriyapadam is independent of Lingam. So we already seen that. Kriyapadam, there is Lingam, whatever Linga Bedaha Nasti. Kriyapade, Linga Bedaha Nasti. There is no Linga Bedaha. Whether it's a female, male, or neuter, the Patati is going to be Patati. For Ramaha Patati, Sita Patati, same only. So there is no change. The verb forms are common for all the three lingas. So Trishu Lingeshu Kriya Padam Samana Rupam Eva. There is no change. Okay. So Kriya Padam is different for different Purusha and different Vachanam. Kriya Padam, when it's in Madhyam Purusha, always you have to use with Yushma Sabda. What is Yushma Sabda? If I say Patasi, Yushma Sabda is Tam Patasi. Yuvam Patatha. Yuyam Patatha. When I use for Uttam Purusha, it's only with Asmat Shabda. Aham Patami. Avam Patavaha. Vayam. We all Patamaha. Okay. In all other cases, we only use Prathama Purusha. Patati, Patataha, Patanti. Kriya Padam, there is no Lingam. Linga Bedaha Nasti. Astu. Vartamana Kalaha, Latlakaraha, Purushaha, Prathama, Madhyama, Uttama. So Purushaha Eka Patati, Patataha we already see, just another, just to revise. Patati, Patataha, Patanti. Si, Patataha, Patatha, Patami, Patavaha, Patamaha. So Aham, Avam, Yuyam. Aham Patami, Avam, Patavaha, Vayam, Patamaha. Patasi, Yuvam, Patataha, Yuyam. Any questions, any doubts? We'll do some abhyasam to remember the forms. Okay. Who wants to go first? Etani kriya padani latlakaraha rupani vadatu. So you have to say all the 9 forms. Very simple. Okay. Vad dhatu. Now you have to add the ting pratyaya. Ati. So who wants to go first? Okay, Rajesh Bhagini, you want to say go first? Try. Vad dhatu. So pat for pat is patati, patataha, patanti. So vad. Okay, Preeti Bhagini, your question, or you want to go first?
Vatati, vatataka.
Vadati, vadataha, bahuvachanam. So what you have to say? Okay, for all, when you say,
Vanti.
one minute, Rajesh Bhagini, 1 minute. Just listen. So I do the vad one. So how you have to say vad? So vadati, vadataha, vadanti, pratama purushaha. Vadasi, vadataha, vadatha, madhyam purushaha. Vadhami, vadavaha, vadamaha, uttama purushaha. You have to say like this. Okay. Preeti Bhagini, your question?
But அதுக்கு அந்த சைடு மேல இருந்ததுன்னா அதை பார்த்து சொல்லலாம் சார் ஈஸியா.
You try. So,
at least we have to give some time for us to write at least so that we can
see, Shravana Mahatma Purnam, you have to listen. How did you learn your language, mother tongue? When you are 1 year old, did you have a book, a notebook, pencil and all when your mother and father talking? No, right? So, no, actually that has made our brain less effective. So all these Vedas is all only Shravanam. Those period, no, the Veda of the Gurukula, the Gurukula structure has been destroyed by Britishers. Gurukula, so there is no notebook, pen or iPad or no tablet. Teacher says, we repeat. There is no writing, no. Even for example, if you are learning some sloka, for example, if you are learning Vishnu Sahasranama, how you are doing? You are not writing, no. The teacher says, that's why you have to take the meaning what I'm saying. It's not about argument. I don't want to get into argument. You have to take the meaning what I'm trying to say. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to try. If you without trying, no, if you say no, I can't do, then how can I help? Do mistakes, no. I learned by doing mistakes. If you do mistake, you will learn. Even if you don't even try to do say, then it's hard. Okay. You want to try, you try. Aparna Bhagini, yeah. Your question?
Try. Yeah. No,
okay,
I will try.
Yeah, go ahead.
Vadati, vadataha, vadanti. Pratama Purusha.
Samyak.
Vadati, no. Vadami.
Vadasi.
Sorry. Vadasi, vadataha.
Vadatha. So you have to be very careful. That is Mahaprana.
Vadatha. Vadami, vadavaha, vadamaha.
Samyak.
Kridati, kridataha, kridanti. Kridasi, kridataha, kridata.
Kridasi, kridataha, kridata.
Kridasi, kridataha, kridata. Kridami, kridavaha, kridamaha.
Kridamaha. Samyak. Astu. Uttam Bhagini. Anantaram, who wants to do?
Aham try kare, Mahodaya.
Aham try karomi. Pratnam karomi.
Kadati, kadata, kadanti. Pradama Purushaha. Kadasi, kadata, kadataha, kadata.
See, Pratham Purusha Dvivachanam also, I think you said kadataha, patataha, kadataha.
Kadataha, kadanti, Pradama Purushaha. Kadasi, kadata, kadataha, Kadata. मध्यमपुरुषः खादामि खादवः खादः
खादावः
खादाव खादामः
you are missing the visarga खादावः खादामः
खादावः खादामः
खादामि खादावः खादामः gum. So there's a form. So gum, you have to say gach. You have to use gach.
गच्छति गच्छतः गच्छन्ति प्रथमपुरुषः गच्छासि
गच्छसि
गच्छसि गच्छतः गच्छतः मध्यमपुरुषः गच्छामि गच्छामः गच्छावः गच्छामः उत्तमपुरुषः
उत्तम बहु उत्तम धन्यवादः अग्रे you already seen Shal wants to do quick Suchita Baini
प्रक्षति प्रक्षतः
Bagini प्रक्षालयति
Okay, so प्रक्षालयति प्रक्षालयतः प्रक्षालयन्ति प्रथमपुरुषः प्रक्षालयसि प्रक्षालयथः प्रक्षालयथ मध्यमपुरुषः प्रक्षालयामि प्रक्षालयावः प्रक्षालयामः उत्तमपुरुषः
उत्तम
do I continue?
Yes.
Okay. Patati, patatah, patanti. That is prathama purushaha. Pathasi, pratathah, patatha, madhyam purushaha. पतामि पतावः पतामः उत्तमपुरुषः
बहु उत्तमं धन्यवादः अग्रे किस्य क्रमः who wants to do who has not done
I have not done
I have not done Mahoday.
Okay, one of you Priti Baini you do
प्रथम पुरुष पिबति पिबतः पिबन्ति मध्यम पुरुष पिबसि पिबथः पिबथ उत्तम पुरुष पिबामि पिबावः पिबामः प्रथम पुरुष गायति गायतः गायन्ति मध्यम पुरुष गायसि गायथः गायथ
उत्तम
उत्तम पुरुष गायामि
गायावः
गायामि गायावः गायामः
गायामः okay actually pibati the dhatu is pa dhatu okay so Srilata Baini
पचति पचतः पचन्ति प्रथमपुरुषः पचसि पचतः पचथ मध्यमपुरुषः पचामि पचावः पचामः
part don't do part I do bhu also is okay bhu is actually bhavati bhavatah bhavanti or you do nam
namati namatah namanti प्रथमपुरुषः नमसि नमथः नमथ मध्यमपुरुषः नमामि नमावः नमामः उत्तमपुरुषः
अस्तु बहु उत्तमं राजेश भगिनी you want to try dhav
which one sir last
dhav means run dhav Dhavati.
Oti, Dautaha,
No, Dhavati.
huh?
Dhavati.
Davati,
Huh. Just see, Dhav irukku, so you have to add Ati. Dhav plus Ati, Dhavati. Dhavatah. Dhavanti.
Davati, Davati, Davanti,
Dhavat. Dhavatah. Dhavanti.
Davati, Davanta, Davataha,
Dhavatah. Now just you repeat what I say, okay? Dhavati.
Davati,
Dhavatah.
Davataha,
Dhavanti.
Davanti,
Dhavasi.
Davasi,
Dhavatah.
Davantaha,
Dhavatah.
Davataha,
Dhavatah.
Davata,
Dhavami.
Davami,
Dhavavah.
Davavaha,
Dhavamah.
Davamaha,
Now you try lik. Lik. Likati. Lik. Likhati.
Likati,
Likhatah.
Likataha,
Likhanti.
Kanti,
Likasi.
Likasi,
Likhatah.
Likataha,
Likatha.
Likata,
Likhami.
Likami,
Likhavah.
Likavaha,
Likhamah.
Likamaha.
Likamah. Okay. So there are other words, other dhatus are there. Is no do practice. Let me quickly 1 minute. I think I have to open the other one.
Mahoday, I have a quick question. So when we
Sure.
say this prakshala means to wash.
In washing, yeah. Astam
So,
prakshalayati, asta prakshalayati.
so I have one very basic question. Like, see, in our religion, we have this murti, and then we say prakshal on abhishek. So, what would be a better word, abhishek or prakshal?
See, abhishekam is different. Prakshala means is a cleaning. Abhishekam is not cleaning, right? So when you do abhishekam, you will say I'm doing abhishekam to the deity murti.
Okay.
You don't say cleaning. Cleaning is you can clean a vessel, clean your hands, clean your wash your clothes. When you do abhishekam means you use certain dravyam like milk, curd, honey, the juices, basvam, all these things you do. For example, for Shiva Abhishekam, do that for that is called Abhishekam. We don't wash our hands with milk or honey or curd, right?
Okay.
We just
Not
use
only that which is dirty you clean. But when you talk of murti, there is no question of dirt and all, because it is murti.
So abhishek is a better one.
Yeah, Abhishek. Okay,
Dhanyavad.
so this one I picked up the other slides, but this is the only missing that. This is a quick one. You should know this. So I told there are 10 lakara. So dasha lakara santi. There is a shloka, lakara shloka. So ladvartamane led vede bhute lung lang lit tatha vidya shishostu lid lothau lung luthau lud bhavishyati. Okay, so just good to know what are the 10 lakaras we have. So today the current vartamana kala is nothing but lat lakara. So lad vartamane, so lat vartamane, lad vartamane, so vartamana kale is lat lakara. So this is where we have lat adyatana. Today's thing is lat. Okay, led vete, so led vede, late Vede. So late Vede is Vede. It's in the Veda period, Veda Kalam. Okay. So Veda Kalam is how many? So 5,000, 7,000 years before. So that is also past tense. So the beauty of Sanskrit is we have for past tense we are different lakara. For future tense there are different lakara. So those period which is the time which you can't calculate or you can't know exactly tell. So that is like late. So we can late lakara. So only for example, if Sri Krishna and Bhagavan Sri Krishna and Arjuna is talking, so that we say late that period. So there are different words. We don't say na patatis, past tense there. So that is different. That is Veda Kala, maybe Veda Bhasha or Vedic period usage. So that is late. Bhute in past tense, we have three different types: lung, lang, and lit. Three different types of lakara only for bhuta kala. So lung, lung, and lit. So in our regular practice or learning, we learn only lung. So this is which the timelines are given. I'm not sure how strict is followed, but it says adyatana lat within 24 hours, just half an hour before, 1 hour before, 10 hours before, or just before. That is called lung. But we normally use lung lakara only. Okay, lung lakara is more than 24 hours in the past. But even if it is just before, we use lung lakara is a general usage, general practice. Roksha kalam, that is lit. That also is after late, after Veda kalam, but it's very long back. We say long back, once upon a time. That is called lit. Lung, lung, and lit for bhuta kalam. Vidya Shishostu, that is no lid loto. So for lot lakara, as I said, is for anya or pratana. So vidiling and ashirling. So lut lung. So these are all for the what you call bhava, mood, to show the mood or the ordering or requesting. Okay, and then for the bhavishyat kala, bhavishyati, lud bhavishyati, lung lutau lud bhavishyati. So lut is within 24 hours, but as I said, for lung only, we use lung only for past tense. Same way, we use only lit for past tense, irrespective of whether it's 24 hours or more than 24 hours. We don't use lut, in general, usage. So lat is Vartamana Kala, late is Vedic period. In Bhuta Kala, we have three: lung, lung, and lit. For Bhavishyat Kala, we have lit and lut. And then for Bhavavachaka Sabdaha, lot, ling, vidiling, ashirling. Lot is Agnya or Pratana. Vidiling is like a custom or like a niyama. It's a vidhi we have to do. Ashirling is like we are kind of a we can say benediction or blessing. So blessing, if you do some, if I Aishman Bhava, something we say, so we use that ashirling. So lung is again shows some conditional tense. So not to confuse. So we are going to learn only 5, which is lat lakara, what we are doing now, Vartamana Kala. We will learn lung lakara, Bhuta Kalam, lut lakara, Bhavishyat Kalam, lot lakara, and vidiling lakara. Okay. So other things is just for information, just to at least know these lakaras are the 10 lakaras we saw, and out of 10 we are going to learn only 5. It's good to know the term, at least the term. So lung, lit, late, lut, and lung, all these things. Okay. Whenever you have time, just go through this sloka and go to this slide. Just to. So latlakara from purushe. So we all saw this one. Saha pati sa pibati pibati. Au dhavatah. So divachanam. Te dhavatah. Te strilinga padam. Te nabusakalinga padam. Dhavatah. Bahuvachane. Te khadanti. Aha khadanti. Ani khadanti. Ramah gacchati. Ekavachane. Pratham purushah. Site. Site is Dvachanam. Sita, Site, Sitaha. So Site, Pachatah. There are 2 Sitas cooking. Chatraha kridanti. Students. Chatraha bahuvachanam. Kridanti bahuvachanam. So vachanam should be same. Namapadasya vachanam, kriyapadasya vachanam, samanam bhavaniyam. So it has to be same. Okay. So you can't say Ramaha kridanti. You have to see Ramaha kridati. Ramaha gacchati. You can't say Chatraha gacchati. Chatraha gacchanti. Okay. Abhyasaha pratama purushaha. Okay. Srilata Baini, read the first one.
Reading Pathati. Uma is reading. Uma Pathati.
Uma Patati. Uttamam. Priti Baini.
सुरेशः पठति
Sureshah Patati. Uttamam. Suchita Baini.
He is reading. Eshaha pathati.
Uttam. Eshaha Patati. Supriya Baini.
सः पठति सा पठति सा
Sa Patati. Sa Patati. Who else? Rajeshwari Baini. Those students are reading. Those students. This is Bahuvachanam. Those students are reading. What is the plural form of students? Chatraha.
Huh?
Chatraha.
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 Chatraha. Okay. Chatraha. Okay. Reading.
So, patanti. Chatraha patanti. Those students means te chatraha patanti. Te chatraha patanti.
Ye chatraha patati.
Te chatraha patanti.
Okay. Te chatraha patati.
Patanti.
Patanti.
Patanti bahuvachanam.
Okay.
Srilata Baini, last one.
Tau Rama Lakshmana. Rama Lakshmanau.
Okay, so you can do in two ways.
Okay.
You can say Ramaha, Lakshmanaha, Cha. For and you can use Cha. So Ramaha, Lakshmanaha, Cha, Patataha. Okay, when you add or combine two words, you can say Rama Lakshman now. Rama Lakshman now Patataha means that also Rama and Lakshmana. Okay. Rama Lakshmanau patataha athva Ramaha Lakshmanaha cha patataha. So we won't be able to complete today's slides. So happy to do the abhyasam for some more time. We have 8 minutes left.
Yeah.
Okay. Preeti Baini, you do first one. Two boys are reading.
बालकौ पठतः
Patataha. Patataha. Balako patataha.
पठतः
Patataha. Uttamam. Supriya Baini.
बालिके पठतः
Balike patataha. Balika, balike, balikaha. Samyak. Suchita Baini.
Vaidye.
Male doctors. Male doctors.
Male. So Vaidyo. Some talking.
Vadataha.
Vadataha.
Vadataha. Uttamam. Aparna Baini.
Adhyapike, if it is feminine.
Uttamam.
Adhyapike gachatah.
Bahu uttamam. Adhyapike gachatah. Lata Baini. Srilata Baini.
Phalam phale patataha.
Phale patataha. Rajeshwari Bhagini. Leaf is parnam. There are two leaves. Parnam, parne, parne, patatah.
Patatah.
Patatah, ta, patatah. Patatah become different meaning. Patatah means leaves are studying. Leaves are falling is patatah. Okay.
Falling என்ன சொல்ல வரீங்க?
Patatah. Ta, tanni, ta, patatah.
Patatah.
Ta, patatah. Tamil Nadu, ta.
Patatah. Okay.
Patatah. Okay. Trains are running. Supriya Beni, you do the last one.
रेलयानमे
Relayanam, Napusakalingam.
रेलयाने
Relayane,
धावतः
Dhavatah. Okay. Apna Beni.
बालकाः वदन्ति.
Vadanti. So they have those also. So te balakaha vadanti.
ते बालकाः वदन्ति.
Astu. Suchita Beni.
ते बालिके पचन्ति.
Bahuvachane asti. Girls are cooking. That's no two. Girls, more than two.
Oh, yeah. बालिकाः. ते बालिकाः पचन्ति.
Okay. Balikaha pachanti samyak. Te va. Te.
एते
ताः.
No, Aparna Beni. Sahayam Magaru.
एते बालिकाः पचन्ति.
Ashuddham.
Okay.
You tell the combination. Sa dash dash Esha dash dash. What is this?
Etah.
Raish Beni, when you get a chance, you say. Okay. Etah. Esha, ete, etah. Okay. Etah
बालिकाः पचन्ति.
Samyak. Okay. Raish Beni, you do now.
No. Some time is there, no. That's why I put.
Now no time. Exam, no time. You do now. Quick.
Etah. Doctors என்ன சொன்னீங்க? வைத்தியே.
So you wait. It's for male doctors. You tell first. You take doctor. Okay. What is for doctor? One doctor. What is the Sanskrit word? You tell me.
Vaidya.
See, then you have to remember the first two classes. Vaidyaha.
Okay.
That is one doctor. Ekavachanam. Okay, singular.
Okay.
There are more doctors, more than two. How will you say? Vaidyaha. Then, you should know that combination, the Pratama Vibhakti. You should know the combination. You should remember the combination. Vaidyaha, Vaidyau, Vaidyaha.
Vaidyaha. Okay.
Vaidyaha. Now you got doctors, Vaidyaha. Okay. Taking, not talking, taking. They are taking something. Okay, I'll tell you. Swikaroti singular form. Okay. So Swikurvanti. Yeah.
Okay.
So these doctors are taking. These. Somebody is very close. Eshaha etau ete. Eshaha etau ete. Ete vaidyaha swikurvanti.
Ete vaidyaha swikurvanti.
Swikurvanti.
Mahoday, question. I have a question. So can you also say ete vaidyaha grunnanti?
You can say grinnanti. Grinnanti is more than catching or holding something. So you're taking or receiving means you are just swikaroti. You're taking, receiving or taking. Grinnanti, you can use, but Grinnanti is more of holding or catching. So you grab. We say grab the opportunity. So it's you can use but the more the appropriate word is swikaroti, swikurvanti. Shrita Bani, the next one. Those teachers, female, are walking.
Etaha shikshikaha.
Those.
Oh, those. Taha shikshikaha. Walking. Chalanti.
Chalanti. Those. So taha shikshikaha or adhyapikaha chalanti. Okay. Aparna Bani. You're on mute. When you're practicing, you're unmuting.
Sorry. Etani halani patanti.
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 Samyak. Okay. These are easy. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Okay, we'll do the Madhyam Purusha. Okay. Latlakaraha Madhyam Purusha. Tam patasi. Okay. Singular. Patasi. Ekavachane Madhyam Purusha. Yuvam, you both. Yuvam patatha. Yuyam, you all. Patatha. Tham likasi. You writing. You likasi, you are writing. Yuvam likatha. You both are writing. Yuyam likatha. You all writing. Okay. For example, you have seen. Okay. Sridhar Baini.
Tvam khadasi.
Tvam khadasi. Suchita Baini.
Yuvam dhavatah.
Dhavatah. Priti Baini.
Yum. No, not yum. Tvam yuam yum. Yuam. Swachhata.
Prakshalayatah. Prakshalayatah. You only discuss about Prakshalva, Abhishekva. You forgot.
Prakshalayatha.
Prakshalayatah.
Prakshalayatha.
See again, you have to forget Hindi. You are not saying the upasarga. Sorry, visarga. You don't pronounce visarga. That is very important.
Prakshalayatha.
Taha. That aha is not coming from your mouth. Taha. Okay.
Prakshalayatha.
Okay. Supriya Beni.
Yuvam gachatah.
Gachatah. Okay. Who has not done? Suchita Beni, did you do? Done. Okay. Okay. Raishul Beni.
Yuam patatah.
Yuvam patatah. Good. Patatah. Good. Okay. Aparna Beni.
Yuvam sitting.
Upavishati is the word. Upavishati.
Okay.
Pratama Purusha Ekvachanam.
Upavishataha.
Upavishataha. Aparna Beni, quickly. We'll complete this one.
Tvam cooking. Forgot cooking.
Pachati. Pratama Purusha Ekvachanam.
Sorry. Tvam pachasi.
Pachasi. Samyak. Okay. Suchita Beni.
Yuyam vadatha.
Vadatha. Yuyam vadatha. Okay. Priti Beni.
Yuyam pachatha.
Yuyam chatha. Srilata Beni.
यूयं स्वीकरतः.
Okay, this is Vishesha Kriyapadam. Swikurutah.
स्वीकुरुतः.
Swikurutha. Bahuvachanam.
स्वीकुरुतः.
Okay. Swikarosi. Swikurutha. Swikurutha. Supriya Beni.
UM walking.
Chalati. Pratham Pursha.
Chalatha.
Chalatha. Okay. You do this also. Supriya Beni. You all are falling.
You all are falling. UM chalatha. Chalatha.
Falling.
Falling. Oh, patata. Patata.
Patata. Rajesh Beni.
Standing தெரியல sir.
Uttishtati. Now you have to change that. Uttishtati Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. You have to change that. Uttishtati. You have to, how will you change?
उत्तिष्ठः वा?
Uttishtata.
उत्तिष्ठः.
Uttishtata.
Clear it is.
Uttishtata.
उत्तिष्ठः.
Not aha. Tha. Uttishtata.
उत्तिष्ठत. Okay sir. Sorry.
Okay. You do all this one also. You are all learning.
यूयं
Dhavati.
huh?
Dhavati.
धावतः.
Dhavat.
धावन्तः.
Dhavata. Dhavatah is Divachanam. Dhavata.
धावत. Okay. धावत.
Astu.
Sorry.
Samaya samaptah. Atrishtamaha. So we have few more. So we'll continue next week, and then we finish we start with the next thing. Okay. Astu. Srilata Baini. Mangalashagam vadatu.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Harihi
श्रीगुरुभ्यो
Om Tat Sat. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.